Hello highlighters, it's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. So it's currently 9:43 AM in the morning and we're here at Dimasalang Road here at Sampaloc, Manila. So what are we up to now? So we're going to feature Red Ribbon since meron silang bagong promo and today po ang launching. So later on pakita natin kung ano yon, but probably yung mga kids at heart and collector will probably get excited with this kahit na paper toys lang siya. So tara, let's go! Hello highlighter, so yan, we're currently here sa Dimasalang Street. Yan, para pumunta sa Red Ribbon. Hindi ba, napaka-busy. So sa may Dangwa po to malapit. And let's go! So by the way, ito po yung i-feature natin today. So yung 3D puzzle nila na may free Barbie and Hot Wheels in every purchase of fun pack. Yan. So let's go. Hello. Yan. So by the way, here's dirt cake. Syempre, pakita ko lang. Diba? Ikot muna tayo before natin tignan yung fun pack nila na may freebie. So they are offering here also a polvoron. Yan, mga puno balls, pastillas, chocolate crinkles, macaroons. Ibang nice. Brownies, polvoron, butter mamon. Yan. So I think dito yung picture nila na may free, diba? So iba siya. So here's their breads. Yan, mga puto meron rin. And yan, meron rin pala silang bagong bread chicken floss. Yan, sa mga mahilig sa floss dito. So 70 lang oh. So yan. Actually last year, meron din pala silang free na Barbie and Hot Wheels, but stickers po siya. But now, it's a 3D puzzle na kasama sa purchase ng fun pack. Yan. So, ito po yung prices niya. Yan, pwede kayo mamili ng butter mamon, cheese ensaymada, and sorted cake slices. And random po siya. Yan. So, tanong tayo kung meron sila ng complete set. Yan, kasi I think for the Hot Wheels, dalawa lang meron, no? Wait, check natin. I think red. Then for the Barbie, diba kulang nga. So wait, walang tayo ng lagayan. Ay, hello. Ang name mo, sorry. Ayun, Richard. Hello Richard. Yan, so complete set ba to? May complete set kayo nito?
Yes po. Bali, pwede po kayo mag-request kung sakaling wala sa available.
Okay. So, possible ba?
Possible naman po, sir. Basta mag-avail po tayo ng mga per pack na.
Okay.
Pasalubong pa.
Nice. So, sige, tag-iisang set. By the way, yung promo pala, kailan nag-start?
Nag-start siya ngayong araw po, sir.
Oo.
Limited edition lang po siya hanggang maubos po yung stocks ko na.
Ay, okay. Ayan, so hanggang maubos pala yung stock. So ayan, sa mga fan ng Hot Wheels and Barbie, alam niyo na. Bili na kayo. So yan. Sige, Richard, dalawa yan. Sige, pakuha ng tag-iisang tag-iisang pack na may one of each design. Yan. Okay. By the way, yan. Sige. Yan. Mukhang di kasya yung lagayan. Ay, sorry. Yan. So, kuha tayo ng other one. Ayan. Pink. Ayan, diba? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Natataaranta ata si kuya, oh. And actually, I think pinapack nila siya isa-isa. So, kaya randomly po siya nilalagay. Yan. Ay, pwedeng patingin yan. Ayan, so ito pala yung stock nila. So if ever siguro you could request or mag-ask sa crew kung meron pa silang enough stock nung need mong design. So yan, pwede kang mamili, di ba? Yan. Yan, by the way, baka gusto na lang pumunta dito sa branch nyo. Anong oras nga pala yung store hours nyo?
Dito po sa Red Ribbon, dito sa operation hours po namin, sir, nag-start po ng 7 AM hanggang 9 PM po.
Ayun, so mahaba-haba naman. So after work, pwede pa kayo pumunta dito. Pero dalian nyo na, baka maubusan kayo. So yan, ayan. So, ay, nakita nyo, pinapak siya.
Or may nakahiwalay din pa. Wala, yan.
Hello naman kayo! Yan, diba? Si Richard, busy. Yan. So nag-request tayo na para ma-complete yung set, pinapak lang nila muna. So let's wait muna for a while, then we'll show you yung mga nabili natin. So finally ready na yung in-order natin. Thank you. Yan, so ito na po siya yung fan pack na in-order natin, na complete set ng Barbie and Hot Wheels. So I've got my fan pack. So excited to build all the paper cards. So watch out sa next clip kung paano siya i-assemble isa-isa. So yan, see you in a bit. So hello highlighters, finally got home and I'm going now to assemble each paper card that we've got from Red Ribbon. So ito yung Barbie. So there are 3 designs. Yan. And for the Hot Wheels, also 3 designs. So yan, Muscle Bound, Roger, Dodger, and Twin Wheel. So yan. First one would be Barbie with a car. So here's the back part. So we need to pop this all out from its backboard, and syempre be careful na para hindi siya mapunit. So yan, mabilis lang naman siya. Okay, easy peasy lang siya ma-remove from its backboard. So no need to use any pair of scissors to assemble this one. So we'll make this sample. So ganito yung kakalabasan niya afterwards. So let's do it. So again, be careful para hindi siya mapunit, since sayang naman. It's easiest 1, 2, 3 lang naman siya to build this one. Since meron, kung mapapansin nyo, may number siya. Like, ayan, guide po siya. So, guide siya like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, kung saan nakalagay, dun nyo siya itutusok, right? Ayan. 1 and 1. So, pagdudugtong nyo lang siya. Okay. Finally assembled the last Barbie in a set. Barbie Princess. Just a recap, here's all the paper toys. Barbie Princess. Barbie with a pink car. And Barbie in a summer vacation. So yun. Yan. So nice, diba? So kindly comment down below who's your favorite. It's either 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so let's start the Hot Wheels. So first Hot Wheels to assemble is Twin Wheel. So the color blue Hot Wheels. Here's the closer look. So here's the sample when it is built na. Yan, Twin Wheel. Same, may base siya, 2 parts. And for the car, isang buo siya. So medyo struggling lang. Baka mapunit. So ingat lang tayo. Ayun. So medyo struggle is real lang tayo kay Hot Wheels. Natin alam kung paano siya ipapasok. Kung from the outside or from the inside. Pero ito na yung right way for sure. Yan, so para hindi siya bumuka, you need to slip this sa gulong nala. Though walang slip yun, no? Pero support lang siya para hindi bumuka. So yan, cute lang, diba? Yan. So here's Hot Wheels Twin Wheel. By the way again, so just discovered, sorry, you need to ano pala, parang i-curl yung in front. Ayun, so para siya gumana. So susundan yung pinaka body niya para hindi siya butas. So you need to adjust talaga since paper toy lang naman ito. Yan. Okay. And here you go. The mas better siya. Yan. Okay. So here's the Hot Wheels Twin Wheel. Next Hot Wheels Roger Dodger. So ito siya. Here's a closer look. Sample pag nagawa. So let's that's it, highlighters. We've finally assembled all the 3D puzzle that we've got from Red Ribbon. The Hot Wheels and the Barbie. That's all for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye! So yan, kain na tayo.